Okay, so she wanted quality. She was tired of the other guys, so she called Florida Pro. And here is the after. Just put in 4 yards of Cyprus mulch, which is the regular. So you can see it makes a big difference. She had mulch that was there from last year that had faded, so it's good to refresh it. Let me just pan. See, good coverage all the way on both sides. No corners cut. Beautifully landscaped property. Now looks that much better with fresh mulch. This bed in the front corner here. Here's a bed filled with hydrangeas. One of my favorite flowering plants. You can see where they're doing really well is in the shade. It's about 12 noon. And right now it's in the shade, so that gives you an idea of where you want to put your hydrangeas. Okay, let's check out the back. Mulch. And she's got some additional flower pots that she's going to set. I'm not sure exactly where, but it's going to look much better. As you can see, she's got a beautiful backyard. Very, very well designed and maintained. And putting the mulch in just really adds that level to it. This area was just dirt exposed, so got the mulch in to cover that to prevent more weeds from coming in. And this U bed here, U-shaped, or J, I guess. That bed's mulched, and that's good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.